Good morning and welcome to the start of a new day here in San Jose. Owen's just brushing his teeth, alright. We have palm trees now, which we're not used to. We got the whips in the driveway. While we're here, we gotta hit it with a crib tour. So this place is actually split into 2 units for all of us, and this is the unit where I'm in right now, the JackUltraMotive side. We have the nicer kitchen on this side and space where I'll probably be editing and working throughout the trip, washer and dryer, and then we just have a long hallway that just goes straight all the way down here. We got 2 beds, 2 people in that room, another bed for someone in this room, and then the master suite at the very end over here. Hello viewers. I must point out that the master suite shower is extraordinarily nice because we have the overhead shower end right up there and nice marble. We walk out of our place, walk along the entire building, and I wish there was a door that connected the 2 units from the inside because that would be a lot more helpful than walking around this entire complex just to get to the other side. And we go through the garages. And then we made it. There's Mike. Say hi, Mike.
Hi.
And then here's the more fun side. This is a little more open space and nice TV, plant. Then we have more rooms that go all the way down here, and it's basically the same system as before. 2 beds, another bed, and then another master right down there. So this place can hold 10, wait.
Throw the camera up.
10 people in it, and that's gonna work out for the whole week. We have more than enough space for everyone. And voila, here's my here's the beautiful Forza Z. We're basically here just to hang out with friends, make some fun content for you guys. Oh, another member, Zach's here.
Good.
Zach 1077.
I just flew though, I didn't.
Yeah, he flew, so yeah, we're slowly picking up people along the way. I kept my awkward little silencer thingy on right here just so that the car wouldn't drone throughout the whole long 14-hour drive. But we've made it to our destination. I think it's time we take that off and completely trumpet the streets of San Jose. I mean, basically this is like the, you know, like Army tricks or FI valved exhaust system. It's just manually valved. With a lot of manual labor to take this
One little
off
nut
here.
and it changes the whole car.
Yeah, exactly. So just make sure we don't lose those.
And you just pop it
And
up.
then we're
Might need to like pry it with like a...
haha. Oh,
Damn. It's
we
dirty.
got some use out of it on the road trip here. All right, valves are open now.
Bet.
What's going on?
There's just bits of rubber over here that we found, and then Jordan's been driving it out the whole time.
Oh, is this actual rubber?
I think so.
It's from asphalt, which has rubber in it.
So we've just been like transferring over to back where it should be, which is the sidewall.
Dude, he's gonna think, I don't even know what he's gonna think. He's gonna think someone either ripped a Bernie or he's got hella rub issues. I mean, he does have other rubber that he's rubbing off, so.
Like, brother.
But we're just making it look a little excessive.
This is actually really cool though. This part, like just for cruising, like
Oh, that is really
helps
sick.
the air. Like,
Yeah, you can throw some of the.
Yeah, he can get some of his rubber that he's tossing up into the cabin.
It has a lot of cool details.
Look at all this shit on the ground.
Holy shit, dude.
Looks like rubber, my guy. Who is fucking with my car? What do you mean? What? I didn't even notice. There's just so much rubber. Someone do a burnout or something?
I think all the rubber that was in your fender, like, settled or something. It was dumped out.
Yeah, it's just...
Yeah, dude, it's everywhere.
Is it on both sides?
Yeah, it's both sides, but
Is that what you're rubbing? That's insane.
it's just the rear set.
Good, bro? Is that like gonna be able to take it back home? Like, look at this, bro.
He's fine.
I don't know.
I was trying to give him some words of encouragement, okay?
As long as I don't see any wires, then
That's a good point.
Yeah, I mean, your tires look good, right?
it's San Jose. Like, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to find like Atlas tires somewhere.
Yeah.
And they're regular tires. They're 215, 35. It should be because it's a pretty easy tire to find.
Yeah, it's not hard to
I love how you are the one on air. It's usually the static guys that like run into this kind of deal.
No, Jordan lives by the saying, ride low and park lower.
See, I respect the people that have air and then ride low, but then at the same time, it's like, why are you on air?
It's beyond me. It's beyond me.
The only reason I didn't go static is because my driveway is at a 45-degree angle. Otherwise, otherwise I would have gone static.
Gotcha.
So we definitely didn't pull this from like a bit of asphalt like 10 feet away and put it underneath the tires.
We totally didn't just prank you.
It definitely did not do that.
This,
You guys are a bunch of fuckers. You guys have me fucking stressing the fuck out. Damn, so like I just spent $600 at A&M before I came here, and now I'm gonna have to get another fucking, I don't know, $300 to get tires mounted, balanced, everything. Fuck you guys.
Yo, that was solid.
Great success.
Oh my god.
How would it perfectly like just dump like right there? I tried to like kick my like, you know, bumper to see maybe it got clumped in there and nothing fell. What the fuck? I don't know.
just the kiss. Oh, I'm gonna have to freaking take this at the world's longest angle. Oh boy. I hear scraping. First time out in the streets. First day out here in San Jose. Oh, we got everyone over there. We got a nice little underpass. Car's still cold though. Oh, it sounds not too bad. So we're on our way to a car wash right now. We gotta get the thing like fully cleaned up compared to all of the bugs and all the dirt that we picked up on the road trip down. It's completely filthy right now, so the thing definitely needs a detail. Yeah, we stand out a little. I found a Z-Boy. Very fashionably early 2000s California street racer spec era 350Z. All right, let's begin. Whoa! We're getting the 2-for-1 wash deal here. I'm helping them out. Get some bugs off there. Big one there. Oh, not allowed to let the brush touch. Just soap and pre-soap. This is such a weird concept. This is one way to get the job done. No. What are you doing? I'm getting you soaked up. Dude, it looks like I'm just spitting giant turds all over my car. That's one way to do it. This is the world's most amateur car wash. Where are the girls at? There's a whole bunch of Ferraris and stuff just chilling on the side of the road. I've been just sitting here. I made a monumental discovery.
What?
They've embedded Z into my air vent.
Oh, they do?
Isn't that wild?
That's crazy.
Wait, where is
it's in my air vent. Oh, that's a GT500.
That's yucky.
You just call that yucky?
Yeah, I did call it.
What's wrong with you? If any muscle car is gonna be cool, it's gonna be that.
I don't like American cars.
That's fair. I love that color combo as well. That's so sick.
The color's nice. Do a pull. The car's
Do a pull.
The Z is cool though. Yeah, that is.
The Z is great.
Because it's Japanese.
Yeah.
So it is better than any GT500.
Yeah, just the vent is better than that whole car. California sunsets are wild right now.
congratulations. If you've made it to this point in the Forza Z vlog, I'm giving away 2 Xbox Game Pass codes right here on the screen. Here they are. This is why you guys should check out all of the vlogs involving the Forza 350Z, because you'll have a chance at winning a Game Pass code. But thank you to Xbox for supporting this build series. Go check out Game Pass, available with Forza Horizon 4 and Forza Motorsport 7. We've turned into a full home decorative team. Now revamping the entire Airbnb, moving couches. We basically took this couch from the other unit and brought it into here. So I guess so this one's gonna be the stacked one then.
Oh yeah.
Because it's gonna have basically all the seat room.
Ours is just gonna be premium then.
Dude, we have so much middle room right here. We could have like a dance floor party.
So nice.
Oh my god. I'll just bring over the master bed.